Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the updated steps to make only your contacts see your last seen status on WhatsApp. This simple adjustment will help you maintain your privacy while staying connected with the people you trust. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings. Next, tap on Privacy. This is where all your privacy-related options are located. Under this section, you'll find an option labeled Last Seen and Online. Tap on it to proceed. Now, you'll see several options for controlling who can view your last seen status. To ensure that only your saved contacts can see it, select My Contacts. This setting allows only the people saved in your phone book to view when you were last active on WhatsApp. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've successfully customized your privacy settings. From now on, only the people in your contacts list will be able to see your last seen status. This feature is perfect for maintaining a balance between staying private and staying connected. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Stay safe and enjoy using WhatsApp with enhanced privacy.